Bradbury and Company sewing machine from England. This is an 1862 industrial sewing machine from the Bradbury Company in England. This is an exact copy of a Singer sewing machine with the name changed to protect the guilty. This was a heavy-duty industrial machine, so it's about 1.5 times larger than a standard sewing machine. Now I have a wooden cover that goes over this, and the wooden cover is strictly for dust cover because this machine never had a coffin cover lid for itself because it was strictly an industrial machine. But it was made by the Bradbury Company, and like I said, it was 1862 from Wellington, England. And it is a carbon copy of a Singer.